That's what I'm talking about. What's up? It's the last day before break. It's cold as shit right now. But catch y'all when we get to school. Woo! But you say he's just a friend. But you say he's just a friend. Alright, man, we here. Let's get this show on the road.
So we got Ryan here. Just visiting from Michigan here. It's up. It's
Arizona. Sandy Phelan.
Yeah.
Kenny Reynolds.
Ryan was just talking about how gay his classes are.
Oh yeah.
It's only gay if you make it gay, Ryan.
I gotta go drop this off when the bell rings. And then I gotta drop off my.
I gotta go get my munchkins. It's just for my advisor.
Munchkins. I'm just gonna do it. 'Cause I don't mind.
We'll get it from the car. Those for English too, Paul?
Week and a day. Six extra station days. 7, 8, 9, 10 days to sit home. No math.
Backlash.
Count down. 5, 4, 3.
No.
Okay. 2, 1, go. When do I stop it?
Cabeza.
Almost.
La Cara.
Nariz!
Hey, it's Jordan Dar.
Hey, Aaron! You guys came really.
Dang.
What are you talking about? You're just saying.
Just take a video.
Get your uniform on.
Scum gang. Ace is looking good. You already know. We out here.
It creates a. I'm really.
Hell yeah. For the boys. Bobby, whip it. Whip it. Yo, look at this. Muy perfecto. Dude, we got a little surprise in here. Is that a pill I see? Nah.
Do you need it?
Yeah, because it's going to the kid in my advisory.
Look at that.
We snuck some cocaine into mine.
For the boys. Ace is doing some theft over here.
Called Boom Gang.
Yo, look at that snowfall. Ooh.
Get off the side.
Yo, you just ruined it.
No, I didn't.
Oh, I've got some on my finger.
Fucking pill is stuck to the side.
Where are the pills?
That's
There we go.
That looks so nasty.
Oh, dude, that's all like the fucking covering.
Pills are all nasty. They dissolve. I still got mine.
There we go. Now they're out.
Here. Ready? Let's do it.
Richie.
stuck it back in. We're all looking at him.
All two go off and found.
All two have gone here.
Let's see.
Up
See
in
what
a
they got
hat.
for art today.
Yeah, let's see what they got in the art exhibit. What even
Interesting.
is that? Is it blank? Yo, 2013 Energy Star certified building? No.
This is real leather.
Doors closing. No.
Hey!
I'm wearing my dress shirt today.
Ooh. It's nice in here. Captain of the football team, quarterback Carlson.
8 dead.
Green bean.
Ooh! Dude, actually, can I try that?
Crazy. Y'all are crazy.
Me? I'll be fine. We don't have a game till Wednesday.
Grenade. Ooh! First round, baby. DJ. You're old. Lonzo. For the win. Woo! Who's gonna do it? Lincoln for the green. Lincoln greens it. Asa off balance shot. Lincoln for the win. Ooh! No way! And Asa in the boys basketball shirt. DJ, green it, green. Yeah. Oh, you're oved. Shoot it, Gordon. Is it a vlog? Maybe it is. Why was it on Thursday?
This was on at 9, so it was okay.
I always want a pipe.
Isn't that
What are you doing with
amazing?
your old-fashioned camera?
Old fat Miss Alexander. Ethan, you want some of these edibles?
Yeah.
It's actually an edible, and I'm not joking. Ethan,
I don't give a Miss Alexander.
those are edible. Ethan, I'm not joking.
Holy, that's a good deal. It's like $50 off. Wow, this is actually
Look at that.
What up, Hams? We out here in Miss Dawn's room.
What are you guys doing in there?
Where we are?
Oh shit. There he goes. There goes Teddy's ride.
You can throw that cat up, man.
What the shit?
Oh, super tired. Oh, yes. Buffalo, delicious. I eat it.
Oh, the bell. Oh,
We gotta go.
the bell.
I'm pregnant.
Whoa. Oh. Pretty snowy. You can't, it's like black in here. That's hilarious. But yeah, man, just got out of school. Let's see if the wipers work. Oh yeah, they're working. They're working. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's funny, dude. But yeah, man, just got out of school. I'm not gonna vlog and drive because the fucking roads are insane right now. Look at this. So, yeah, man. Catch y'all after. Yeet. There is so much snow, like you don't understand. Like, this is so sketchy, dude. Dude, I've like literally been here for like 10 minutes, dude. This is so sketch. Someone already slid off the road, dude. This is so scary, dude. Holy shit. Are they in there? Whoa, dude. This is so sketch. This is like right outside the school. All right, I'm actually gonna put this down. This is super sketch. It's kind of funny. It's snowing like crazy right now. Look at this guy's license plate. I love snow. I sure do. When it's snowing like this is insane. Dude, it is so snowy, dude. Oh my god. Yo, future Aiden that's watching this in like the summer. Yeah, snowy shit. I can't even scrape it so much. Look at this, dude. I was driving with this. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, future Aiden. Oh my god, dude. Hold on. This is crazy. Dude, I just stubbed my toe so bad right there, but we're home now. Damn, dude, that was crazy. That was actually crazy. Worst Worst driving of my life. That was crazy, dude. I was skidding all over the place. I'm glad I recorded, because, like, this is crazy, dude. I've never, like, seen this much snow when driving, you know, so. Pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool. Pretty cool! Dude, and I just got this alert because I got tweet notifications on for Troy. Connor's first race. You know Connor's my favorite, dude. I gotta watch this. I gotta watch it. Ooh. Alright, man. I've just been playing NCAA for like a couple hours. Took a nap, you know, the usual. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel. I got bangers on there. And yeah, man. Leave a like. Subscribe, man. You know the deal. Catch y'all later. Peace.